So today's project is installing these Vitesse, I think that's how you pronounce them, paddle shifters. They're going to replace the original button paddle shifters, but we're gonna do it a different way. I heard if you install these here with these little cups here, they get really loose. So we're definitely not gonna do that. We're gonna take this off actually, and then just hard mount it directly to the paddle. So let me grab a screwdriver and we'll see how it goes. To lift, I think it's at the bottom. Yeah, I also read that too. See, some paddles have that little plastic foam on there, and that's where it's making contact at, right there. So you want to keep that foam to keep it tight. Just got the original cups off. Excuse my little work stand. Just got the original paddles off, leaving the foam on there. Then I'm going to use my Allen little set here to take these bolts off. Then we're going to have to drill in a moment to mount these up like that. That way we don't have any type of play issues. So 1 second. All right, now that we have the aluminum brackets off the actual paddles, and these are the factory paddles, we're going to line these up just like that, and then we're going to drill our 3 holes. Hopefully everything lines up correctly, and then what we'll end up getting is a factory paddle that will have the same resistance from the factory. We won't have to do any type of spacing or foam measurements onto this paddle, and everything should work out pretty nicely. All right, so we got our holes marked. Let's see, and then we got our little tiny drill bit. Let me see how I do. Let's see. So we got our little tiny little holes marked. Not sure if you can see that there. We got our small little drill bit. So let's see how we do. Alrighty guys, so we got one in. Didn't finish bolting it down, but check this out. Listen, that's clean guys, that's clean. Very sturdy. Only got 2 screws in there, but damn, that's clean. Wasn't expecting to get that good. As you can see, only got 2 screws in. Virtually no play. Well, just about much play in the stock buttons, but I retained my click. That was a big thing. People were saying they weren't able to get back when they used those metal cups. So I just drilled directly into the factory cups. I guess the curvature seemed just about right. Just hopefully I can get the other one the same angle, same height, but you can hear it. Just that's clean. All right, I got both paddles installed, mounted to the factory paddles. Drilled all 3 holes on each one, kept the factory foam. They look pretty good, so let's go test them out on the car. Alrighty guys, moment of truth. This is the negative. So let me switch hands. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that. Yeah, you can. I'm gonna stick this right in there. Bottom part first. You literally don't even have to look. Bottom part, top part. Hey, that's in, man. Still got my click. Same on this side. There's your button. It'll focus. Paddle. Bottom part first. Make sure this all the way in. Bottom part first. Top part. Oh man, we're good to go. Look at that. 1 paddle, 2 paddle. I think this one came out better than this one. That's nice. Need to go back and tighten that one up. I know I didn't tighten completely. This one here though, snug as a bug. Other than that, man, that's it. those are the Vitesse brushed aluminum or anodized aluminum, whatever it is, black paddles for your 2012 CTS-V.